Finishing this project for this New Year's Eve and day before New Year's Eve. Just to finish these off, these were the bolognese, if you remember. And from last night when I was talking about the Milanese, the bolognese has the quart and it also has the smaller pint size. Quart size, more than adequate for a family. And this is really 2 adults who are using it. Notice again, although there's not as much space because the meat actually, because bolognese is meat sauce, right? So because of that, it actually fills, but it's the same amount of space. It just simply has less clearance, but it's good enough. And when it freezes, it's not going to have any problem in terms of the mason jar. These over here are alla vodka sauce and same sizes, you know, and because it is so very thin, because you're mixing it in besides vodka, you're also mixing it in with a half and half. And so, and you're mashing it, if you will, with one of those, whatever those things are called. So in any event, based on that, it's a very clear sauce. So you can see it takes less in order to be able to fill it up. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Altogether, we've done 48 quarts. And the reason for these mason jars is they're fantastic. They keep it 100% inside. So unlike a Tupperware or something that's plastic that you get from Publix, this allows it to be sealed, nothing comes out, and it stays fresh, and you can freeze this as long as you want. So this will take us probably 48 quarts, will probably take us about 3 or 4 months, depending upon how much I give away to my friends. And it's kind of nice to be able to have these in the freezer because at any particular time, if you just want to have some pasta with some homemade sauce, you have the ability to be able to just take it out of the freezer. In addition, when you're going to a party or something, unlike the perennial bottle of wine that you get for somebody, this gives you an opportunity to be able to have something fresh that you actually have homemade that you can bring them. Okay, so that's the last video that I'm going to do on these. The only thing I will do is I will post the 3 recipes for the Milanese, the Bolognese, and the alla vodka. And I'll do that on my Facebook in the next couple of days, so you see what the original, Larry Pino recipes were for these. Okay, enjoyed doing this, and I hope you enjoyed these videos.